Hello everyone, welcome to Lessons Today and welcome to another lesson in our lessons for A1 level learners. And in this lesson, we'll be looking at how to make polite and simple requests. Now, how do you make polite requests? To make requests politely, we can use the phrase, "Can I have?" or "Could you?" to help us make these polite requests, regardless of the situation that we are in. Now let's see examples of how we can use these in sentences or in our speech. Can I have some water? Could you help me please? Can I have some juice? Could you show me the way to the school? Can I have some privacy please? We see that in all these sentences, we began with "can I have" followed by what we want. And then we also used "could you" followed by what we want. You could also see that in some examples, we added "please" after we said whatever we wanted to have to make it very polite. Now, the aim of this is to sound as polite and as respectful to the other person you are making this request to. So, "Can I have some water?" And when you say this to somebody close to you or next to you, this is very polite and this is very respectful, and they will hand you over any water or the water that is next to them or is available to them. So to make a polite request, you begin with "can I have?" followed by what you need. So if you need a piece of bread or a loaf of bread, you can say "can I have a loaf of bread?" If you need a room, you could say "could you help me get a room?" "Can I have a room?" So whatever you need to get or whatever you need to request for, you can either begin your sentence with "can I have?" or "could you?" followed by what you want. So keep it in mind, and these phrases can be used in any situation that you are in, regardless of the place or the settings. You can use these two phrases, "can I have?" and "could you?" because they are very polite, they have no rudeness to them. And as I said, if you even want to take it up a notch, you can add "please" to the sentence to make it sound extremely polite, especially if you're talking to somebody who is an elder or somebody who is in a very higher authority. You can choose to add "please" to the sentence to make it extremely polite. So let's go over the examples again. Can I have some water? Here I was requesting for water, so I use "can I have" plus what I wanted to have, which is some water. So, "can I have some water? Could you help me please?" Here I used "could you" and what I needed, which is some help. So, "could you help me?" and then "please" to make it very polite. "Can I have some juice?" Here I needed some juice, so I used the phrase "can I have?" followed by what I needed. "Could you show me the way to the school?" Here I needed to see, or I needed to be showed the way to the school, so I used the phrase "could you?" followed by what I needed, which is showing the way to the school. So, "could you show me the way to the school?" The last example, "can I have some privacy please?" So "can I have?" followed by what I wanted to have, which is some privacy, and then "please" to make it more polite. This will be all for this lesson. Like, share, and subscribe, and comment your thought down below. And if you need a grammar book that has been made to help you know and build a solid foundation in grammar, check out the description, find the link, and get yourself one of these grammar books. Also, if you need private lessons, you can check the description, find the link, and book a lesson for yourself. I will see you in the next video.